Assalamu alaikum viewers, my name is Zishan. Today in this video lecture we will learn about denture based material, definition of polymer, difference between polymer and monomer, definition of monomer, requirements, ideal properties of denture based material. Viewers, if you like my video, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Polymeric denture based material introduction. These materials are used for production of a base to provide support and retention for artificial teeth in the correct occlusal relationship. Purpose of base. The bases cover the oral tissues, making the bulk of artificial teeth. Division of polymeric denture base materials. Use A. Metallic denture base, for example, gold alloys, cobalt alloys, chromium alloys. B. Non-metallic denture bases. For example, current non-metallic denture base materials are based on polymers, namely acrylic polymers. Other name of that is polymethyl methacrylate or dimethyl methacrylate. Polymer definition. Polymer means a substance formed by union of small molecules, usually of the same kind, or we can say a large complex molecule made up of many repeating units or parts added together like beads on a string. Polymer means many, mer means parts. For example, polymer having its structural units made up of methyl methacrylate. Monomer definition. The single structural units from which a polymer is constructed. Mono means one, mer means many, or monomer is the smallest repeating unit in a polymer chain. Polymerization is the reaction by which polymers are prepared from monomeric units. Copolymers are polymer chains with two different types but compatible monomeric units. For example, monomer A and B, from which several types of copolymers can be prepared. Viewers, you can see here the examples of copolymers. Types of copolymers. Number 1. Alternative copolymer. Number 2. Random copolymer. Number 3. Block copolymer. Number 4. Graft copolymer. Due to copolymerization, molecules of predictable properties for special application can be produced. Cross-linking. Linear polymer chains get linked at isolated sites by cross-linking agents to form a network structure. The bonds between different chains are chemical in nature. Cross-linked polymers follow at higher temperature. They have low absorption rates for liquids as compared to the linear polymers. Here are the few examples of monomer and polymers. Monomers: ethylene, acrylic acid, methyl methacrylate. Polymers: polyethylene, polyacrylic acid, polymethyl methacrylate. Polymer structure and property. Number 1. Molecular weight. Molecular weight of polymers molecules equal to the molecular weight of various mer molecules multiplied by the number of mer molecules present. Molecular weight of polymer is equal to the degree of polymerization multiplied by the molecular weight of repeating units. Number 2. Degree of polymerization. This is equal to the number of repeating units joined in a polymer chain. Higher the molecular weight, higher the degree of polymerization. Molecular weight of polymer is reported as average molecular weight, since number of repeating units may be vary greatly. Number 3. Physical state of polymers. Polymer exist as elastomers or rubbers. Hard amorphous glass, for example, polymethyl methacrylate. Hard partially crystalline polymers, for example, polyethylene. Property number 4. Molecular entanglement. Polymer chains are held together by secondary or van der Waals forces and molecular entanglements. Polymer with higher molecular weight have greater degree of molecular entanglement, greater rigidity, higher strength, and higher glass transition temperature than the low molecular weight of polymers. Property number 5. Cross-linking. Small degree of cross-linking limits amount of movement of polymer chains relative to each other when the material is stressed. So deformation is elastic rather than plastic. Cross-linking affects flow properties and decrease absorption of liquid. Property number 6. Plasticizers. Liquids can penetrate between the randomly oriented chains of polymers, putting the molecules further apart. As a result, the forces of interaction between the molecules weaken. These effects make the materials soft and flexible. Such liquids are called plasticizers. Requirements for denture-based materials. Ideally, a denture-based material should possess the following properties. Number 1. It should have excellent mechanical properties as high modules of elasticity, high elastic limit, high impact strength, high fatigue strength, good absorption resistance. Other properties: thermal expansion of denture base should be the same as the tooth materials. Number 3. Thermal conductivity should be high. Number 4. Low density denture should be lightweight. Number 5. Should not be affected by oral fluids. Should be insoluble and non-absorbent. Number 6. Should be elastically good. Number 7. Softening temperature must be much higher than oral temperature. Number 8. Non-toxic and non-irritant. Number 9. Should be radio opaque. For example, should be visible on a radiographic film. Property number 10. Easy to repair and process. 11. Easy to clean. Property number 12. Should be dimensionally stable. No known denture-based material adequately fulfill all these requirements. Viewers, if you like my video, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.